Hello guys, what I have here is an EDOX. This is my second EDOX watch, and this particular model is 93005-3-NIN, and it's under class 1 GMT world timer watch. This is an unboxing video. I received it yesterday. And here's the box. Let's open it up. Nice little box. Instruction manual, international warranty card under the box. Side. There's the other side. There's the box. Here's the watch. Alright. This is beautiful watch. So I grabbed some information from different websites. Let me read through those. This is 43 millimeter and 12 millimeter in thickness, and as you can see, it's got a rubber strap, and it weighs about 125 grams, and it's got a ceramic bezel and screw down crown, and the glass is sapphire crystal, and the power reserve is 42 hours. Okay, let me bring it a little closer. I'm not sure if it's focusing it. Let me try. There you go. There's the watch. Beautiful watch. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and watch out for more unboxing videos soon. Thank you.